Okay, so I got this idea to pipe a tree with leaves on top of these soaps and then add these little bird houses that I made. I don't know if you can see that. So I have no idea how this is going to work, but we're going to try it. I've got brown in here with some gold mica and a number 45 tip. So I'm going to try and do the trunks on the side, then a leaf or a branch out, attach the birdhouse, then I'll pipe leaves all around it. I put the birds in here even though most of them are going to get covered up so that as you use the soap and the tree disappears, you still have a pretty soap and not just a plain solid color bar. So I really have no idea how this is going to work, if it's going to look good, but I like to try new things, hope for the best, and if it doesn't quite work out how I envisioned, it's usually still pretty cool, so. I actually kind of like a third on top of the two. Oh, more work. This is me. This is what I love to do, is create work for myself. That's kind of cool. I think I like that. I'm going to change out my tip from the 45 to a 44. It's just a little bit smaller, and I'm going to use that to pipe the branch off the side. So we'll see how this works. I don't know if I want two or if I want one. I want it more vertical. Okay. Now I have to do the green leaves. So I need to go prep that, and then I'll be right back. I am using 352 basic leaf tip to pipe the leaves. Okay, so now for the leaves. I'm not quite sure how this is gonna go. I am just going to have some fun and see what happens. Thinking. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to do this where you can see this, but where I can actually hold this and pipe. I wonder. I have a whole bunch of flowers that I made that I considered putting on here. Not sure. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Well, I put the flowers. I'm doing it. I don't know. Maybe I should put the flowers at the base of the tree. I feel like it needs some color. So I think I'm going to put the flowers at the base of the tree. Okay, so now I have to go pipe another 18 of these. And hope that they look okay when it's all said and done. And there you have it. My craziness.